The Philippines, an archipelago of exceptional biodiversity, faces a crisis. While the plight of its endangered animals often makes headlines, a silent extinction is gripping its flora. Join me now as we venture into the heart of the Philippines to uncover the stories of these vanishing treasures. Our journey begins high in the canopy of the Philippine rainforest, where we encounter the waling, often dubbed the Queen of Philippine Orchids. Its large, vibrant blossoms have captivated plant enthusiasts for centuries. This orchid, scientifically known as Vanda sanderiana, symbolizes beauty, love, and prosperity. But the reign of this royal orchid is under threat. Decades of deforestation and illegal trade have ravaged its natural habitat. Yet hope is not lost. Across the archipelago, dedicated conservationists are working tirelessly to protect the waling. Through propagation programs and community engagement, they are ensuring its survival. Our next stop takes us deep into the heart of the Philippine jungles, where we encounter the jade vine, known scientifically as Strongylodon macrobotryes. Imagine a cascade of luminous jade-green claws, each bloom an otherworldly jewel. This botanical marvel, however, is facing a perilous reality. Classified as endangered, the jade vine is a victim of habitat loss due to deforestation. The jade vine's survival is intricately linked to its environment and its primary pollinator, bats. As deforestation continues, bat populations decline, further threatening the jade vine's ability to reproduce. Despite the challenges, hope flickers. Dedicated scientists and conservationists are working tirelessly to protect the jade vine. Ex situ conservation efforts are underway, cultivating the jade vine outside its natural habitat to ensure its survival. Our journey now leads us to the mossy forests of the Philippines, home to the Staghorn fern, scientifically known as Platycerium coronarium. Imagine a verdant waterfall cascading down the trunk of an ancient tree. But this iconic fern is now engaged in a fierce struggle for survival. Classified as endangered, it faces relentless pressure from habitat loss and overcollection. Its striking appearance has made it a highly sought-after ornamental plant, driving the species closer to the brink. Local villagers, armed with knowledge and passion, are leading the charge in conservation. Through community-based programs, they are propagating staghorn ferns and educating others about sustainable harvesting practices. Their efforts are a testament to the power of local knowledge and the impact it can have on conservation. For many of us, coffee is an indispensable part of our daily ritual. Our journey now takes us to the highlands of the Philippines, where we find the Arabica coffee plant, Coffee Arabica, facing a future filled with uncertainty. Climate change is disrupting the delicate balance that Arabica coffee needs to thrive. The result? Lower yields, increased susceptibility to pests and diseases, and a decline in the quality of the beans. Deforestation is stripping away the shade cover that Arabica coffee needs to flourish. Amidst these challenges, there is a glimmer of hope. Researchers and farmers are developing climate-resilient coffee varieties and implementing sustainable farming practices. These efforts are crucial for the future of coffee and the millions of people whose lives are intertwined with this beloved beverage. Our final destination takes us to the lowland forests of the Philippines, where we encounter the Catmon, scientifically known as Delinia philippinensis. Imagine a tree laden with large, round fruits, their green rinds enclosing a tangy, citrusy pulp. For generations, the Catmon tree has provided food, medicine, and timber to local communities. However, the Catmon tree is facing a growing threat from deforestation and ecosystem degradation. The loss of the Catmon tree would be significant, not just for its ecological role, but also for the cultural heritage it represents. Across the Philippines, communities are recognizing the importance of protecting the Catmon tree. They are planting Catmon trees in designated conservation areas, ensuring its continued survival. Their efforts are a testament to the power of community action in conservation. As our journey through the Philippines comes to an end, we are left with a profound sense of wonder at the beauty and diversity of its plant life. The endangered plants we've encountered are living testaments to the interconnectedness of all life, and the urgent need for conservation. Each of us has a role to play in protecting these botanical treasures. By supporting organisations involved in plant conservation and making conscious choices, we can make a difference. Let us remember the lessons learned from the wailing, the jade vine, the staghorn fern, the Arabica coffee plant, and the Catmon tree. Stay informed, stay connected, and together let us ensure that the vanishing beauty of the Philippines flora will continue to inspire and sustain generations to come.